if we wish to hear reasons why a person is or was noted to be a king or queen, a known person, a valuable person, we would like to hear great and even numbers of traits, qualifications, and maybe significant works why he or she was called a king, a queen, bilang kilalang tao o bilang tao na may katungkulan sa madaming tao. But as we celebrate this memorial of the queenship of the Blessed Virgin Mary, we've heard this story of Mary not bragging human and earthly reign or achievements. Hindi ba dapat kung kapag inaalala natin ang pagkareyna ng isang tao, aalalahanin kung paano natin aalalahanin yung kung paano siya nagpakareyna, kung paano niya isinabuhay ang kanyang royal throne and duties. Dapat ayun yung mga inaalala natin. Bakit siya naging reyna? What were his remarkable thoughts, deeds, and actions? But no, at the heart of Mary as queen, we remember that she was and is queen of heaven and earth because of her humble and trusting love of God. Reyna siya, hindi dahil sa brag ng buong mundo. Naging reyna siya at reyna siya hanggang ngayon ng langit at lupa dahil sa busilak ng kanyang puso, sa kanyang tiwala at pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos. She was crowned queen not because of earthly fame, but because of a heart that is humble, pure, and self-giving. When the angel came to bring the good news to Mary, her response to the call of God twisted her life and even her dreams. Having been given this great grace to be the mother of God, hindi inilagay ni Maria yung pangalan sa kanyang ulo. Hindi naman din niya sinabi sa anghel, pagkatapos sabihin sa kanya na siya ang magiging ina ng Diyos, hindi niya po sinabi, ako ang ina ng Diyos. Kaya dapat lang akong tawaging bukod na pinagpala. I am the most deserving person in this world to bear the Son of God. At kayong mga babae sa paligid ko, wala kayo. It was not so. Her response to this good news, to this grace from God, just made her fit to be queen. Her response of complete dependence, trust, and obedience to God made her qualified to have the crown over his head. Just fit to be queen of heaven and earth. My dear brothers and sisters, with the story of Mary proclaimed to us today, it is not through human and even earthly fame that we can get the crown over our heads. When, like Mary, faced with a great and noble task from God, with a response of true faith, humility, and obedience, we will surely experience God enthroning us, making us fit for the place, making us the noblest of all person, and yet the servant of all. Hindi kailanman pagiging reyna, o kaya hindi naman kailanman pagiging hari ang pagyayabang. Hindi ka reyna o hari kapag ikaw ay nang-aalipusta. Hindi ka wala sa kaganapan ang iyong pagiging reyna o hari o pinuno sa mundo kung wala kang pakialam sa iba. Naging reyna si Maria dahil may malinis na puso. Hindi ginamit ang pangalan. At dahil may malinis na puso, may nagtitiwalang puso, may nananalig na puso, reyna, reynang tunay. Mary is queen not because of earthly fame, but because of her heavenly beauty, of this true faith, obedience, and trust to God. She is queen because of her heart. She is queen because of her goodness. My dear friends, let us imitate her queenship of humility, her queenship of trust, and her queenship of complete obedience to God.